Hey kids, are you ready to sing? Jump and dance! Numbers are coming, and they love to dance. Let's count together from 1 to 10.
One is dancing, clap, 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 standing tall in a funny cap, jumping high, having fun. Say hello to number 1. 2 goes twirl left and right, dancing stars are shining bright. Spin around and say woo! Everybody loves number 2. Ray taps feet, tap, 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 dancing on a rainbow mat. Wiggle, giggle, dance with me, happy, funny number 3. 4 jumps up and 4 jumps down, wearing a dancing party crown. Stomp your feet and count some more, let's all dance with number 4. 5 gives high five, 5 clap so loud, dancing in a happy crowd. Shake your hands, feel alive, come on, dance with number 5. 6 go swish and 6 go sway, dancing all the fun-filled way. Move your hips and do some tricks, shake, shake, number 6. 7 spins around so fast, laughing, dancing, having a blast. Round and round, up to heaven, super cool is number 7. 8 goes hop like kangaroo, bounce, bounce, woo, woo, woo. Big round hugs and feeling great, let's all jump with number 8. 9 taps head and 9 taps toe, dancing smooth and dancing slow. Smile wide, the show is fine, funky dancer number 9. 10 jumps high, hooray, hooray, dancing numbers, shout and play. 1 to 10, we did it then, let's count and dance again and again.
Great job, kids. You dance so well. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun rhymes. Bye bye. See you again.